ProPILOT Assist makes highway traffic less tedious, with features that help you brake, accelerate, and keep you centered in your lane. To turn it on, press this button. Then you need to set a speed for intelligent cruise control. Make sure you're going at least 20 miles per hour. Then use the right toggle and select Set. To adjust your speed, use Res Plus and Set Minus. To turn off intelligent cruise control, press Cancel. If the vehicle in front is going slower than your set speed, the ICC will automatically match that vehicle. Once the road ahead clears, your set speed will resume. To adjust the distance from the vehicle ahead, use the Distance button. Each time it's pushed, the set distance will cycle through long, middle, and short settings. This can be adjusted anytime depending on traffic. The distance also adjusts itself according to your speed. The faster you're going, the longer the distance. If the vehicle ahead comes to a stop, the QX55 will too. When the road ahead is clear, your vehicle automatically resumes. If you were stopped for more than 3 seconds, you must push Res Plus or lightly press the accelerator to resume.